Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. At the end of this video, we are going to learn how to use the support and resistance strategy as beginners on how to maximize profit. So stick to the end of this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment in the comment section below. Let's get right into the video. So before this video ends, we are going to have answers to these key topics: what a support and resistance is, how to identify support and resistance on the chart, the best time frame to trade this strategy, and how to use the support and resistance strategy. I'm going to give examples at the end of the video. So now, what is a support level in trading? A support level is where the price on the chart regularly stops falling and bounces back up. It is clearly noticeable by drawing a trend line. Let's identify a support level in this trading chart. So I'm going to find an uptrend market, and I actually have found one. When we talk about an uptrend market, is whereby market makes the higher highs and then the higher lows. So I'm just going to use the trend line to identify this uptrend market, and now I'm going to use my horizontal line to identify the support zones on this uptrend market. As we've already discussed, the support zone or the support level is where market rested before pulling a new high on the trend line. The next highlight is what a resistance level in trading is. So a resistance level in trading is where the price normally stops rising and dips back down. It's also noticeable by drawing a trend line. So it's just the opposite of the support zone. So let's find an example on how to identify a resistance line on a trading chart. So I have this downward curve, and I'm going to use the horizontal line to identify the zones where market paused or stopped rising before making a dip. So that point is our resistance level. So on this chart, we have two resistance levels. This is where market paused before making a dip. So guys, I hope you get this to this point. Okay, so after identifying the resistance level, the support level, now we are going to move on to the next highlight. But guys, I hope at this point you are getting where we are heading to. I'm really taking my time to explain this step by step. This strategy works, guys. If you still don't get it to this point, please go back and start this whole process again. Okay, start from the top. Okay, from where we talked about what a support, what a resistance is, how we'll be able to identify the support zone and then the resistance zone, and then you have to watch it over again to really understand. But if at this point you really get what we are trying or what I'm trying to teach you, then let me know in the comment section how fast you're able to understand this strategy. Okay, so the next is the time frame that is best suited for this strategy. Okay, at this point I'm just going to teach you my secret time frame is my 4-hour time frame against my 30-minute time frame. Guys, this works perfectly. I'm going to teach you how. Now, with everything that we've learned, let's take some examples and let's see how to use this strategy to maximize profit. If I want to find a buying opportunity in the market, I first move to the higher time frame, that is the 4-hour time frame, and then I draw my trend line. After drawing my trend line in the 4-hour time frame, I move on to my lower time frame. I basically use the 30-minute time frame as my lower time frame. So I go to the 30-minute time frame to cross check if this line I have drawn is perfect. I then go ahead to identify my support level in the 30-minute time frame by using my horizontal line. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So after finding the support zone, now this is where the magic begins. So now anytime market breaks below the support zone, I'm going to pick a sell on this zone when the market retraces back to any of the support level zones. So this is an example. Market broke below the support level zone and retraced right back to one of the support zones, and that is what we have right here. So if you have to pick a sell on this zone, guys, you are just going to make the backs. Okay, you're just going to make the back. So this particular support zone has now become a resistance zone. So realize that anytime market should retrace back to any of the support zones, we are going to look out for strong candlesticks that will enable us to sell in the market. So I'm going to look for another example. Yes, we have an upward trending market here as well. I'm going to draw my trend line, put out my horizontal lines to identify my support level zones. Okay, I'm then going to go into the lower time frame, that's the 30 minutes time frame, to check if my trend line is perfect. Guys, we are always not going to get a perfect trend line, okay, but as long as it touches 2 zones, you are good to go, okay, or 2 points, you are good to go. So I'm now going to label my horizontal lines to be able to identify my support zones. Okay, so make sure that you are always identifying your support zones. Okay, and now whenever market breaks any of the support zones, guys, this particular support zones become a key zone which can act as a resistance, and that's exactly what we are seeing here. It broke this particular support zone, and we can see the market bouncing downwards anytime it gets to this key zone. Okay, guys, it's that simple. When you actually go step by step using this strategy, you are going to make the bucks. Okay, I have actually used this strategy several times and have maximized much profits using this strategy, and I wanted to share with you guys. We learn on this page each and every day, and I have lots of strategies to share. Okay, guys, so let's move on to let me just take you through one example of a downward moving market, and also identify when it's best to sell using the resistance level strategy. Okay, so I'm going to draw my trend line in my 4-hour time frame and then head over to the 30 minutes time frame to identify my resistance level, okay, or my key level. So we realize that when market dropped to one of the key levels on the resistance level, market bounced back up. Okay, we made a big move upwards. So this is what we call the resistance and then the support trading strategy. Okay, we use these key levels to be able to identify whether market is going to buy or going to sell, or whether we are supposed to sell or to buy. So in this situation, I'm going to use the candlestick patterns to be able to know whether market is going to push up on this resistance zone. Mind you, a resistance zone a resistance level can be a support zone, same as a support level can also be a resistance zone. Okay, so guys, this is a very unique strategy that I feel like sharing to everyone to be able to maximize or make some profit in trading. If you found this strategy useful, let me know in the comment section below. And in our next topic, we are going to learn how to use the support and resistance break in marginalizing or making profit as well. See you in my next video. Bye.